Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to play CS2. This is CS2. I know, I'm playing on the 4:3 resolution. There's black screen on the right and the left side, but that's not important. So this is the homepage of CS2. I hope you already downloaded everything. So this is what is important. If you head over to play, you'll see all the game modes that CS2 has. Of course, Premier being the premier game mode of CS2. Where there's leaderboards, you can rank up and beat the best in the world. There's competitive here where you can choose a map to play that you want and rank up, which is also a different kind of ranking compared to Premier. You have Wingman, which is 2v2, casual, which is like Premier competitive and Wingman, but there's a lot of other people and doesn't really affect your skill group or ranking. There's that match. This is where people play to what do you call that? Get good, you know, the practice. And there's, of course, there's private matchmaking where you can play with your friends or when you're playing privately. Alright, now let's move on to something else. Here is the loadout. So the loadout is quite different to how it was in Counter-Strike Global Offensive. There's now fewer guns, but you get the choice to put whichever guns you want to use for your loadout. So if you want to use shotguns, you can choose to. Okay, this is the store, and you have weekly care packages, which is really good because like you get rewards, and that rewards have monetary value. Then there's the store, you have general, then market. So you don't need to head over to the market in like you do in CS:GO anymore. It's much easier. Okay, enough of the money thing. That's not important. Let's head over to the gameplay. So here I am. I'm currently choosing between terrorists and counter-terrorists, and I'm gonna be showing you what each of these role has to do with the game. So terrorists, basically you plant a bomb, then it blows up, you win round. So you have two objectives. You either kill all the enemy team, or you plant the bomb and wait for 40 seconds for it to explode, and you win the round. First team to reach 13 wins. If both teams get to 13, then an overtime occurs. Overtime basically means like it's like sudden death. You have to play again until the first team to reach, I think, 15. Sorry, I'm just gonna show you a quick round of how it goes usually of a terrorist. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just gonna play like a noob in this one, or am I a noob? So I have planted the bomb already in the site. And now I'm just gonna wait for 40 seconds, as it says here. I'm just gonna defend the bomb from the counter-terrorists, because what they're gonna plan to do is to defuse the bomb, which I stopped them because I'm so good. Yes. All right. Now let's switch over to the counter-terrorist side. It's the same. Maybe you have different gun loadouts because some guns are only available to terrorists, some guns are only available to counter-terrorists. So I'm just gonna play this simply. I'm just gonna let them plant first so that I can show you. You can see on the bottom right corner of the screen, I have bought a defuse kit from the store earlier. So you can see on the bottom right corner of my screen, you can see that I have bought a defuse kit, which is used to hasten the defusing process. So defusing basically stopping the bomb from exploding. So let me just show you. Just watch this round unravel. So I'm just gonna wait for them to plant before I really do something good. Okay, the bomb has been planted. Now let's get destroying. Let's play and destroy everyone. Alright, one kill, second kill. Mind you, the terrorists are using rifles, so I'm using only a Desert Eagle. Yeah, I'm not flexing, but I'm still playing so shittily. Just to show you the basic of this game. So oh my god, bodies are just flowing out. Okay, they're all dead, and now we can defuse the bomb. You just head over to the bomb, just like how the terrorist plants it, and then just hold E as you're facing the bomb and you're defusing it. So if I did not have a defuse kit on that one, that would probably exploded, because without a defuse kit, the defuse process takes around 10 seconds. But with a defuse kit, it halves it to only 5 seconds. So that's it. That's how you play Counter-Strike 2. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye!